What's up? How you guys doing? It's TK from Profit Takers. We are coming to do a live session this morning. We're going to look through the market, find a few trade setups, and execute them live. So let's go ahead and jump in. Give me a second. Let me bring Aaron back in. Aaron, can you hear me? Aaron.
Yes, sir, I can hear you.
Okay, cool. So I was looking at US 30 earlier this morning. Right here at this area right here. It already retested that area and dropped. It's happened like right at 8:30.
Uh-huh.
Now, depending on how this candle closes right here in the next 30, we'll get that zone that we talk about in our 6 week challenge in the kill zone series. So right now we just need to wait on this one and go check out a couple other things.
Okay.
Today is Wednesday, so it's normally choppy. Bring everybody down. Give me a second. Looking at the news
Is there some
again.
music in your background?
Yeah.
Okay, I thought it was I thought I had clicked something by accident.
Oh no. You hear that? Don't worry, be happy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was trying to hit my microphone to unmute my microphone. I was like, maybe I clicked something, and I was trying, maybe it was our music I clicked.
Nah, that's my song right there, man.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that there's no instruments in that song.
Damn, I can hear that now.
Yeah,
That's a
it's
voice.
all all made by voice.
Yeah, I can hear that now. Humming. Mm.
Yeah,
Yeah, I love it. I love it. It's my song right here.
yeah. That's a badass song.
Yeah, man. Figure more songs like this, it'll usher in, higher vibrations. People be more peaceful than all that disruptive stuff.
Absolutely.
That mindset series really made me more
The
aware of the
background stuff
music.
that you have on your 9 day ties.
Say
Yeah,
that.
that intro and the outro,
Uh huh.
very soothing.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Where is that
yeah.
coming from? Oh, here it is. Let's get rid of that. Boom. All right, so this thing actually needs to set up a little more. So Wednesdays really are the home of the patient guys. Wednesdays can be really problematic if you do not take your time.
You see, this is US oil, right?
No, U.S. oil already did the move that we were looking for. So U.S. 30 took off already and profit on that and profit on U.S. oil as well. Where is U.S. oil? We looked at your U.S. oil before you tap back in with us. We called all of these moves the rejection from here down to retest this level. It hit that level perfectly, and now it's in that uptrend. So I was actually going to look for an area to add to that oil position. It's funny you said that. This is my message to you. Yeah, funny you said that. I wanted to wait to see how price responded to this 200-day EMA right here. Flex, what's up, family? Flex, why are you on IG? Aaron inside of the Discord. You can hop in that Discord with us, Flex. Yeah, but I wanted to see the response right here at this 200-day EMA on oil. We got this nice push right here. So, how many pips is that? Okay, over 180 pips right there on that U.S. oil trade right now. But again, I need to wait because she could definitely pull back and wick us out if we try to enter in this position too early. So, especially with stuff like this. Now, this Lux Algo indicator, we didn't use it before. As soon as I figured it out, I shared it with everybody. So, the only thing that it does, which is a major thing, is show you when each session ends and closes. And this will let you see where the volatility is underneath or above those particular sessions. So, we base our concepts off of stop hunting. It'll be easier for you to see, like, okay, instead of getting a retest of this low right here, we have liquidity underneath. Got money underneath that low, and right at Tokyo's low, we got a double bottom. So having the ability to see that is helpful. We also got money above. So there's a chance for this session, we could just see a drop to retest that level, and it just so happens to fall right on the 200-day EMA. And then pull back. So let's see. We could just trade oil. All right, let's get ready. Hold on a second. Sync over here, camera. Yeah, back over here. So we're going to U.S. oil. Let's get ready. Okay, 1 minute. Let's sync this. Uh-oh. That's an accident. Sync. Okay. Now that just so happens, this zone on the 1 minute just so happens to fall right at stage 1. So that'll be perfect. This is on the 1 minute clearly stage 3. And we're in stage 4. So let's see where we can get in, if we can catch some of this move going down to that target area. Okay. What we do here. Let's see. What is that?
Genetics is the study of heredity, exploring how traits are passed from one generation to the next. DNS, deoxyribonucleic acid, is the molecule that carries the genetic instructions for growth, function,
Mm.
reproduction. Composed of 4 types of nucleotides, adenine, thymine, T, cytosine, C, one of each. The sequence of this nucleotide encodes information much like the letters in a book. This genetic code is read and interpreted by cellular machinery to build proteins, the workhorses of the cell. The Human Genome Project, completed in 2003, was a monumental scientific effort to map all the genes of human DNA, totaling
Gotcha.
more than 20,000 to 25,000 genes.
Gotcha. So we're gonna wait for a retest on U.S. oil. Then we're gonna trade this thing moving to the downside. So looking on the left hand side, I'm using it to see where structure will be on this not higher time frame, but just a time frame that's higher than the one that we actually own. Oh yeah, that's perfect. That's perfect. So we're monitoring this entry on the 5 minute on one side and looking at the 1 minute to refine the entry. Normally do it on the 15 minute, but it is not as clean. So let's do this instead. So we got structural level of resistance, structural level of support right here. We want to see if price will reject right here to retest this level before falling. You got kicked out on Discord. It looked like you're still in there. Now this 5 minute candle right here on this side is important because
Can you hear me, Joe?
yeah, I can hear you.
Alright, cool, I'm back in. I'm log out of Facebook.
Oh, okay, cool. Because we could actually see a continuation of this downtrend if this pullback doesn't happen. So the moves we're looking for is either this or this. If we get this break below, I'll wait for the retest there. Yeah, so either way is good for us. If it retests the top, we get a 1 to 9, almost 1 to 10 sale on US oil. If it continues and it breaks beneath this level right here, we get a 1 to 7. So both are still really good trade setups. And the only thing that we have to do is, like I said, be patient and wait. That's another. Get your headphones, buddy. Zeke, pause your video and get your headphones so it doesn't show up in the stream. Oh yeah, by the way, my kids trade with me. I created a trading station right on the other side of mine just so they could go through the processes of placing these trades with me. Oh, there we go.
Awesome.
There we go. I started to buy that too. But I was like, let me wait until y'all get a little more comfortable because when I know what I'm doing, I take all of those trades. So that would have been like a 1 to 4 2-hour sales zone. But I don't want y'all getting too excited too soon. All right, so we're gonna get ready for this sale. Yeah, 1 to 4. I'm eyeballing risk reward ratio. I've been doing this for a while. So let's see. How many minutes we got left? We got 4 minutes left. This could actually just hit this and go from here. So the idea still stands. We're waiting for the end of this 4-minute candle. We want to wait until it closes. Like I said, it's either going to push us right back to our sell entry, or this thing is going to, on this side, just create this move. Either way, we're good. So Aaron, go on your trade locker terminal. Go to US oil. What I'm about to go ahead and do is set the limit order. So on the 5 minute, you should be able to see this head and shoulders pattern right here. We're placing the limit order at the right shoulder. Can you see that? So we're playing the right shoulder of that head and shoulders pattern. Oh, these lights. Okay. So, Aaron, which account are you on? Are you using your demo account, or you using a live account? You using the did you start the prop firm account? Which one are you using? Aaron got some issues with this internet, I see. Oh, I see Supreme trying to get in. They always go to the wrong trading room. Hold on, you guys. Let me send a message to one of the members. He looking everywhere. Okay. Okay, we're getting close. Young ones, go to US. I'm sorry, not US 30, US oil. Let's put in this trade.
What did you say?
Go to US oil. We're gonna put in the trade on US oil. Plug your screens up. Come on, y'all got the fancy set up. Get fancy. Let's see.
Mon US oil.
Say it again.
I said Mon US oil.
Okay. Okay, cool. So I just put the sale limit in. Let me go ahead and give us some targets really quick.
Wait, you're doing a sell limit?
Yes, we're doing the sale limit. I'll give you the coordinates in a few. Let's see. Yep, a pending sale. Yes, ma'am. Hold on. Come back. This will be TP1, TP2. Drop that a little bit. And our third target is at the low of this session.
Wait, you already put in the sell limit?
No.
US oil?
Well, you know what? Actually, go ahead and market execute those trade setups. and I'll give you. Let me give you the stop loss. You ready for the stop loss?
Yes.
It's 69.56.
That was a short one.
Yeah.
Let's make it as long as that. What? So you said 6, 9 point.
56, 69.56. Okay, and we're live. Let's go. So that trade just activated. Okay. All right, with that fall, we're already in profit. Let's see how price responds. Will it push through?
Wait, you're gonna give us the take profit when we're.
Yes, I'm gonna give you the take profit in a second.
Okay.
Let's help Mr. Nails out.
What? Let me go up. Let me go up. What did I do? Wait, what's happening? Did someone just delete my trade?
No. He was going to the wrong room. Okay. So let's see, we're in it. Let me pull this thing back up. We're in this trade. We found this trade live. That's fine, Aaron. That is fine. Okay, let's go. Baby, baby. That's the golden time of day. Yeah. Oh, I was saying yeah to my own voice. I appreciate that, Aaron. I saw you mute the thing. All right, we're in profit, man. Let's go. Keep going our way. Don't you turn around. Like they heard me say that and they tried to hate on me. I'm not gonna switch up. Now, while this is running, it's time for some gems. Okay? Gem time. So this is one of the worst things that you can do as a trader. Once you identify your setup, find out where you want to enter and exit the market. The worst thing that you can do is freak yourself out. You have to learn to trust your analysis. Either you get a lesson or you get a win. But if you add to that position, You lose more than you intended on losing, and if you close it too early, just because it doesn't go in your favor immediately, you rob yourself of the chance, the opportunity of the win and the lesson. So stay consistent with your belief in yourself and let the trade setups play out. Okay, just tested the high. Let's see if it holds. That's what we need.
Yeah, bro, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Alright, I'm having some Wi-Fi issues. When we get done, I'm gonna call AT&T and see if I can get my issues corrected. But I got my trade locker open. I don't know if I got it open too late now. I missed the setup.
No. So you can actually enter right there. That'll give you a tighter stop loss, and you can actually risk a little more. We're looking for the rejection. The area that we want to watch is, what is this? 6964.
6964 is my entry.
No, 6964 is the area. If it goes above, then we'll leave it alone. Yeah, that was a nice buy. Should have took that buy. You see you. Okay, we got a inverted hammer at the high on the 1 minute. Let's see how this candle responds that we have open now. If we get a close beneath that hammer, it is confirming the possible reversal. Yeah, this move right here, this definitely would have shook a lot of people out. Coming this close to your stop loss. Another thing that causes panic or anxiety when it comes to trades like this is most people over leverage. So you put in way too much. So by the time it gets close to your stop loss, most people are in risk of blowing their account. So they close their trades early because they disrespected the first rule, protecting yourself. Never jump into the fight without putting your hands up. You got to protect yourself. Hold on, you guys. Okay, headed back to profit. Thank you for calling, cause I didn't. I had to let you in there.
I appreciate it. I'm gonna jump in and pop in or something.
Okay. Just went in profit. Let's go.
They not like us.
All right. I think I celebrated it kind of early. Let me wait until the let me wait until it break the lows. It heard me playing stuff. It's like let me mess with your mind right quick. Okay. So let's connect where you can speak. Oh, you can connect. Can send messages. Add reactions. Okay. Read history. Okay. Haters. That don't kill me. All right. I got to be right now.
You trade crude oil.
Yes, we just entered a sale. We're in profit on it. It's really close to the entry. We got a 1 to 9 set up right here. I don't know if got them in or not. So we need to see this thing actually break two lows on this particular time frame. So I do this often to show you guys that price pretty much treats everything like a house with different rooms. Right now on this time frame, the floors that we're looking at that need to be broken. Let me pull this back a little. So right here where you got those rejections, that's the floor. This area right here is the next floor. Right? You see it comes all the way back here and then this level. So right now, we want to see this thing break beneath this to let us know that we're safe with this position. Right now, even though we are in profit, we are not safe just yet. Now, one thing that looks pretty cool is over here on this 5 minute time frame, we got this shooting star that was printed. Now, if we get this next candle to close beneath it in this 18 seconds, that gives us more confluence. So we got a nice, beautiful rejection right here at this inverse head and shoulders that just so happened to be right at the high of the New York session. We have the retest of this high, a shooting star, and now we just got a candle to close beneath it. Now, with this 5 minute candle, we could see a retest, but as long you see that retest, as long as it falls and keeps going down from there, then we're good. So it's okay to see a retest of your entry after you see a move like this being printed. All right. So when this move is printed and it pulls back, most people get afraid. Do not. It's a part of the market. Just let it happen. Keep your stop loss in a safe place and trust the process. Because what could actually happen? It could just pull up, retest, and fall immediately, or it could play around right there, give you a close at that high, and then fall, creating a double top. Now, if we get an inverse head and shoulders pattern, a retest of that pattern, and price creates a double top, that's extra confirmation. Extra confirmation. Now, this wick, that's also a part of price movement, so it could also retest that high as well. We just need to make sure that we stay where we are as far as our protective area, and we'll go from there. Boom, 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 Yes.
Alright. Y'all, we already in the trade a little late.
Yes.
Alright.
So if you entered right there, that'll take you from a 1 to 10 to 1 to 17. We called the Bible, didn't take it. A lovely day. We could actually watch this 5 minute now that we're in it already. Watching the smaller time frames after you into the trade normally freak people out. So after you find your entry, you can watch on like a 5 or 15 minute. All right, that spread went up, retest the highs and clipped me. So this will be my only trade for today. So this was a lesson right here. We took that, well, we called the buy, didn't take the buy. This thing went slightly higher than we anticipated. Definitely should have moved that stop loss a little higher, but that's okay. Let's see what happens. So, oh, okay. Yeah, so if it doesn't break this high, the same move could still happen. But let me just watch it. Let's wait till this candle closes. Because one thing that is likely not to happen on this Wednesday is price ripping too far above these highs to do anything. Wednesday, we normally get consolidation, price playing around, and then Thursday, Friday, that's when we get those major moves. So if we get a strong enough rejection right here, I may look to re-enter. If not, like I said, this will be our only one for today. So far this week we got our first lesson. We got the sell on US 30, the sell on S&P 500 and NASDAQ. Euro CAD buy. Okay. Let's see. Definitely creating divergence. Price moving up here. Price falling on RSI.
Every time you feed your pet Hills, you help feed a shelter pet, which helps make them healthy, happy, and more adoptable, changing their life forever so they can change yours. Science did that.
All right, let's wait on this candle. Boom. Oh, Nels, I didn't tell you. Larry called me, man. Larry from the barbershop, Future Cuts. He said he's ready to get active too. That was surprising, man. I didn't expect to hear from Larry about trading.
Oh, head.
Yeah, man. He said
Ah, how you doing, man?
he doing good. He said I'm ready to go.
Hey, I caught a couple plays on gold today.
Yeah, that's beautiful. I think we about to see what I was looking for.
It looked like he's gonna have a pullback. I just trail. What I did was I've been trying to just trail my stop so that way I can at least pay myself something. You know
Mm-hmm.
what I mean? But then I, yeah, I jumped back in. But I end up still in profit, so that was good.
Well, that's a good thing to do on a day like this. Now, if it was like I said Tuesday or a Thursday, I would let them run. But days like this, yeah, as soon as you get past certain levels, put it right in profit. Don't even play around with it.
I
So
ain't gonna
that's
lie though. When I be trading now, I keep hearing you saying let it run.
let it run.
It be
Good.
ringing in my head, man. Like just let it run,
Let it run.
cause it's
So
working.
that apply on certain days,
Okay.
and depending on where you are structurally. So like with the example that we had, let me where's this thing? So right here on this trade, so I love this thing, bro, because this is how you learn. This replay too. So with price moving right here. Hold on, let's go a little faster. All right, so we were up here. Our trade got activated, and we dropped in profit slightly right there. But I didn't move the stop loss because we didn't break a major level yet. Now, let's say hypothetically we got that move and it broke beneath. I would have moved that stop and profit, and that's the one I let run. Right? Okay, you guys. I believe we got that tomfoolery. It just wanted to take somebody money before it moved. But let's wait a second. Let's wait a second. Oh, I know y'all like that stuff too. Look, I tried to trade to this new rap. That shit give me a headache.
Nah, me too.
That shit give me a headache, bro. I can't listen to that shit. I think I done got old now. Just want to hear happy stuff. All right, cool. Let's see how it respond right there. I'm gonna be honest. If we do get this rejection, I'm taking this again. This will be my last one, and we're kind of actually over. So let's see how this pullback, well, how price responds to this small pullback right here. If it, where's my arrow? If it does reject and fall, breaking this trend line, then we could look for that original move. So that's what I'll stay to see. I'm going to stay on to see if this trend line right here holds or if price breaks beneath it. Because, man, one thing that is consistent in the market, this right here. Like, you'll be in your sale, it'll go up, hit your stop loss, and then fall. So now here's a moment of truth. What I used to do was respond in fear, in anger. Oh, I lost the trade, motherfucker. Right? So then, because the sale didn't work, I automatically just buy it. Like, okay, if it's not selling, it has to buy. That's not necessarily true. Again, anything man-made is man-manipulated. So this thing very well could just wick you out your trade and then go in the position that you thought it would go in without you. So before getting upset and jumping into the trade, going into the opposite position, take your time, take a couple breaths, realign yourself, and just wait. And once you see what's actually going on, you'll be able to make a more informed decision. Zoom, baby. let's take a look at, let's set an alert on this trend line. And also one right here. Bang. Nah, you had the right direction on gold this morning. You could have just held this one. Yeah, this buy looks pretty good. How did I miss this retest? It's right into one of our zones. What is that? Okay, so oil, we just hit that trend line. It's most likely gonna play out like we said. Let's just be patient, wait and see. It looks like gold could possibly be doing the same thing. Let me check this out a little more though. And just bees and things and flowers. Okay. So if we do get a rejection, a conservative target will be right here at this level that was just broken. Look at that right there, the 236. We got relatively equal lows right here. Anytime you got relatively equal lows or consolidation, traders normally place their stop losses in those places to let their positions run. What I do is I identify those areas because in most cases what the market does is it'll reach right below that, take your shit, then dip off without you. So being aware of that, let's just take a look at this double bottom right here on gold that falls right on the 236. There's a chance that this baby right here could be hit or retested before that continuation actually happens. Now, we can be patient and identify where the sale will happen to come down to this move. Definitely need to do that on a smaller time frame. Or you can just set a limit order for a buy down here and just wait. It's gonna go above that, it'll break those highs. this reversal, we're gonna wait on this 200-day EMA to catch up with price. Right now it's using this cloud as a trend line. I have that so I don't have to draw a trend line every time I hop on. So if you see this cloud, I'm only using it for a trend line. I drew this trend line because wicks are a really important wicks are a really important part of price movement. I don't know what the hell just happened. I ate that word. But we always want to take account for those as well. Okay, because some people will just only use the real body of the candle and you'll miss out on the proper place to protect yourself by not taking account for those things. So oil is dancing around at that area. Uh-oh. Yeah, so it's dancing around at that area. I think we'll be good. Yeah. So this, all right, y'all. I'm gonna test y'all next time. Next time I'm taking that buy because I would have done that in the tier 2 or the elite session. But if this thing does not break this high, like if we get a break beneath, I'm taking this sell. So let's set an alert here. Boom. And just let it have fun. Let it do its thing. Let me also set an alert on my EMAs. Is this what is that? Oh, that's the 1 minute, yeah. Okay, gold. I'm sorry, oil. All right. That fall put us back in oil. The stop loss is above the high. Is it the what? Oh, you're not talking to me. I was talking to your brother.
We're going short on oil right now.
Oh, you must didn't hear me. So I set an alert as soon as that thing broke right here. Yeah. As soon as it broke right there, we was in there. Now, normally after you get a retest, you will get some type of pullback. Normally, let's see how the momentum is on this. Because we still don't have a cross of the 12, well, the 9 and the 12 EMA. We really need to see that. And this pullback really helps that happen. So those will confirm the change in momentum from this uptrend to a temporary downtrend. in the Discord, I will show how I'm moving my stop losses if these things drop in the direction that we want them to. Because really, I'll just be looking for these major structural levels that we talked about. Oh, that's the eraser. So once we get beneath that level, this level, I'm moving the stops. All right, let's go. So really at this point, it's no need to watch this thing. We already got a lesson. We re-entered. We got a proper stop loss above the highs. There's nothing else we need to do with this because we're not going to trade it again. That's going to keep the profit in our pocket. It's okay to get a lesson on the trade, but it is not okay to keep losing on the same damn trade. I said the word backwards, the same damn trade over and over again. Because at that point, you're not battling the market, you're battling yourself. So get your lesson and go home. Use your replay tool. Where is it? I highly suggest it. Everybody that's using TradingView should pay for a subscription so you can use the replay tool. The replay tool will allow you to figure out what it is you missed when it comes to the trade setup. Because we found a nice idea. The only thing that we did that could have been done differently was making the stop a little higher and also entering in at the close of the 15-minute candle. So that would have helped on oil. Yep, that would have helped. Now, understanding things like that, no need to get upset. What do? Write it down. Log your trades. Hold on, let me get my log books. That's why we created the log books, you guys. Don't just write your trade setup. Oh, what's going on with this camera? Hold on, get back over here. You just refuse to look at me? What are you tracking, AI? Okay, go ahead, oil. But in our log books, right in the beginning, we give you the trading rules. And after you log the results of your trade setups, this is the important part. Your feelings. How did you feel? What could you have done better? What did you struggle with? Okay, gold. Beautiful. So we're going to wait on that retest on gold as well. All right, and that's for every week, and also taking notes. So you don't only just want to understand the charts, you got to understand your mind, you got to understand your heart. Putting all of those things together put you in a better position to win. So we got a break of this trend line on gold. Our cloud is the trend line. It hit an area where we was looking for a reversal. We also got another signal right here as far as confluence showing that this move could actually happen. So we're already set on US oil. Let's take a look at gold on this side. That looks pretty good. 15-minute. Still 1 minute. Oil is in profit. Oil is in profit. Now let's get this position taken care of. Boom. Okay. So on gold, I'm placing my trade. My stop loss will be above the highs, and that'll be it for the day. Now don't be late. right, so just make sure you set your alerts above the highs and beneath the low. Uh-oh, that's the wrong thing. All right, y'all. So this will be it for this session. Found a couple positions. We got a lesson, and right now we just need to let everything else play out. As far as the rest of the week, we caught, I don't know how many pips. I lost count. Oh, matter of fact, nails, that sale we was looking for last week on the indices, that's what we got. So this sale on US 30 is 1 to 16, almost 1 to 17. Man, that was fun. So we got 690 pips on that trade. And that's the one we let run. We did the same thing on NAS 100 from the high. But we didn't catch it as high. We got it from here down to this level, 250 pips. We did the same thing here, but we got out right here. And I posted all of those trades in the group as well. And that's another 460 pips. So at the beginning of our week, we closed out almost 2,000 pips on 3 trades, not including Euro CAD. Man, why didn't I sell that for my third entry? I don't know. Guess we won too much. Euro CAD as well. We hit TP1 and TP1, 2, and 3 on it, giving us another 160 pips. So sticking to those rules. Yes, you will get some lessons in the market, but if you let your winners run, they far offset the lessons, okay? So we risked 3%. This is a 1 to 5. That's 15% on that trade. So you just lost or got a lesson for 3% on oil. It doesn't affect you at all as long as you make sure that you risk properly. Man, how did I not? It's all good. I'm gonna find another way back into this one. Oh, definitely. So this thing is actually going to reverse. It's got to come back. This is a daily level. So later this week, we're going to look for an entry on this. You want to see that high being broken. Now with this rejection, it's off a daily level. So there's a great chance that we can get a deeper pullback on this thing. That's another 1 to 17 trade. So this is another one that we don't want to miss. Okay. Look like oil. Oil gapped up. Yeah, oil gapped up, acting brand new. So let's just let her go and do her thing. All right, so we'll let this trade run. Uh, gold. Now, if we get a, let me drop this a little lower. If price falls beneath this area, move it in profit. So we got how many more pips? Daylight. So 20, 28 pips. If this thing drops, closes beneath, we move our trade setup and profit on gold and come back tomorrow. Daylight. Everybody, clap your hands. On the 5 minute, we got a double top. Price did close beneath the neckline, confirm it. Yeah, we need that break. Everybody. Yeah, so Mills, Aaron, I trust y'all. Y'all veterans. On your chart, set your alert beneath the lows right here on gold on the 5 minute. Okay? Yep, double tops everywhere. If that low is broken, move that trade in profit. You heard me, Nils?
I sure did.
Man, I appreciate the kind words about the mindset series as well, brother. We put a lot of work into it. Huh?
I ain't finished it yet, so I'm on it though.
Oh no, you just said it's set up really nice. So whether you finished or not, I appreciate it.
Yeah, no, I appreciate that. Actually, yeah, it made perfect sense.
That's beautiful.
A
That's
little bit
beautiful.
bigger than trading, but that's what I like about it.
Oh yeah, this is way bigger than trading, bro.
Yeah. Uh-oh, gold, gold, okay, gold.
Hey man, that's why we gotta stay focused. If we get a lesson, learn from it, and the other ones, just let it do what it's doing. Cause man, I used to get emotional about each trade setup. Like if I was winning
Me too.
one trade or two, I could be winning four trades. If I was losing one, I would keep going into that damn trade until it did like the others. And then by the time I
I
look
did that.
up, you did that too?
I did that. I did that today, as a matter of fact.
Oh, that's terrible.
I was up today, but then I caught some pullback. I try to get back in. I mean, it happens.
Yeah, that's
You know
terrible.
better.
Yeah,
It's terrible.
that's
But
terrible.
you know what though? I don't. I try not to get emotional about it. I be like, whatever, man. Just trade another day.
Yeah,
Trade another day, man. It is what it is. Learn from the mistake and keep it moving.
right. That's the
But
only
now,
thing you
but
can.
now, you know what I mean? After trading with you, that you know what I mean. Now I definitely letting them run, and it's been very, you know what I mean. I made some really good trades in the last couple of days, but now I just got to stay in profit. So
That's good.
um, I'm just trying to continue to let it run and then trust the process. Cause I mean everything I say I'm seeing be playing out.
Hmm.
You know what I mean? So I just got to trust the process.
Yeah, because trading is simple, man.
It ain't as
It's
difficult. I think you made it really made me understand that. Like, wait a minute, I'm making it way too complicated on myself.
yeah, it's simple, man. It's this that's complex. This mind. You see what you see, and then that negative part of yourself. Well, maybe it's not. Well, maybe whoop your ass in the market. Not trading itself. It's that well, maybe guy, whoever the hell he or she is.
Right. And the other thing,
They
the
are
other thing that I
destructive.
realize is that you I mean you gonna have it's not you is no, nobody's winning 100% of their trades. important to keep that mindset and understand that fact because if you lose sight of that, then you'll find yourself being real reckless. Like
Yes.
today, I just lost $3. You understand what I'm saying? Even though I was up, so what I wasn't supposed, I got into the crude oil trade.
Mm-hmm.
That's what took me over. You understand what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
But if I hadn't I got into that trade, I would have been good on the day. But I've been watching gold since last night. I started out, I made a hit on gold late night
Mm-hmm.
in the middle of the night. I already knew that it was going to be trending up. You know what I mean? But now, with it going all the way up like this, it's got to come back down.
So you didn't hold that buy?
Which one?
Gold.
No, I
So
didn't.
this is what you do.
What happened? So what happened was you see right there at about 10:50, and when it caught a pullback and that little bit of consolidation right there before it started going back up is what got me. If you're on the 5 minute chart, you on 5 minute chart?
Now I went to the 15.
15 minute.
What time did you get in it this morning?
My initial trade, I got in it at 10, 10:10.
Oh, you were already late. Nah, so
Yeah, I caught it late. I
yeah,
still
nah.
caught it. I caught it late though, but I still was able to catch a little couple
Yeah, a
of
couple
pips on that
pips.
joint.
Yeah, no, that's
Yeah.
that's cool because this really is a that's what you got in. The first thing I would have did was put my trade in profit, really, because it's not too far you can go, and that's why I like going to the higher time frames first to
Yeah, so
identifying
normally
where
that's
the
what I do.
structural
So
levels are.
I was just on I usually do like the 15 minute
Mm-hmm.
because it let me see. I think that you get a better view of the market.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I mean? So yeah, I got that trade at what was that? 10:10. I was out, and then so actually my first trade was at I got two in this morning. One late night, and then this morning. But I can say my trades are way more better, way more profitable. Even if I don't, you know what I mean? Once cause now I just got to stop myself at this point. Like I should have stopped when I had got up at about 400.
Mm-hmm.
I was up about 410, and then I should have stopped. I could have stayed in it because obviously you see it's having a pullback, but it was still kind of trending up. But that little pullback at 10:15, when I seen that start happening, I was like, let me get my profits and get out. So I just paid myself, and then it kind of hit that little consolidation on the next 30 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
If you look at that, where it pulled back at 10:15, by 11:15,
What time frame?
what was that? On the 15-minute time frame.
Okay.
Oh wait, I ain't even looking at gold. I'm tripping. Hold on, I'm tripping. Hold on, hold
Okay.
on.
10:15.
I'm
Yeah,
tripping.
pull back to retest that. Yeah, that's good.
Man, I'm tripping. Hold on.
Yeah, that was a lot of choppy
Yeah,
movement going on
exactly.
this morning. No, you
Exactly.
did
So like,
you did what you were supposed to do. That's the
yeah,
time to not be afraid, but that's the time to get up out of there. It's doing too much.
yeah. So that's when I got out of that joint at about that 10:15 um candle. I got out of there, and then I watched it. It started getting kind of choppy right in here in this
Hmm.
little consolidation period right here. So I was like, okay, I made a good decision.
Yeah,
So yeah, I just it's just about what I mean, staying with it, bro.
yeah, that was a good decision.
That's why I rock with you, man, because I feel like what I mean, like my guy that got me into it, as good as a trader he is, he can't teach well.
Mm.
Everybody can't teach. You know what I mean? I think that you break it down way better, and you made me understand the concept of holding it out.
Hmm.
Before I was just scalping. Scalping ain't doing it.
No,
Ever since I've been holding out, my trades been way more profitable. Way more.
like let's be real. Scalping came from fear.
Exactly.
I don't want to program fear into our mind. That's why we dealing with the mindset series. So if I don't want to program fear, why would we scalp? Unless we have a complete understanding of the market, right? So with scalping, if you see that you're only gonna get 20 pips to the downside. Then it's just like basketball. You're just taking what's available, right? I cross your ass up, I go for this layup. But on the other end, we see different market conditions. Oh, this thing is about to continue to fall. You know, we just shoot all day. Oh, damn. Just restarted my terminal. All right, cool. So,
But yeah, so I think, yeah. I mean, like I said, I caught that little early little rush and then got up out of there, which is cool. You know what I mean? Like I'm learning. Like I say, man, I ain't scalping no more because I ain't scared no more. I'm really.
good,
Oh man, I could have did that. You need? I got you. Put it down. Hold on.
good, good. That's good to hear, man. That's good to hear.
So yeah, scalping was definitely based off fear, and now
Yeah.
with holding it out, I feel like I'm doing way better trades. I'm doing on a much higher timeline.
Mm-hmm.
My timelines before I was on the 1.5, they too noisy. So that
Yeah.
was part of my issue too, them noisy timelines. So
Yes, sir.
now it's way cleaner when you look at it from between 15 to 30 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
You good.
Man, that's why I really like use references as about life with all of this stuff. Those smaller time frames, that's a room full of haters right there. That shit ain't gonna work. You wrong. You know what the fuck you talking about. You can't do that. I don't like that time frame either. Those higher time frames, they're really clean as far as
Yeah,
what you see.
exactly. You get a good view of what direction the market going in for
Yes,
sure.
sir.
For sure.
Well, man, I appreciate y'all guys, man. I'm gonna
Yeah,
go ahead and
all right.
close this thing out. So tomorrow, that's for the
You going live tomorrow?
yeah. I go. I'm online. What's tomorrow? Thursday. Yeah. So for the tier two and the elite people, I'm online tomorrow.
Okay. Bet.
All right, cool. Well,
All
we're
right, later.
still. We got a. What's today? Wednesday. We have a
Yeah.
charting session tonight at 9.
All
So
right, bet.
you'll still be able to see all of the trade setups that I'm taking. Cause Thursday morning, I'm only taking the trade setups that I find tonight.
Okay. Bet.
Okay, okay.
All right, bro.
All right, man. I appreciate y'all. Y'all be amazing. Everybody else, we're about to go ahead and close out, man. We appreciate y'all for hopping on with us. Okay. Now today we got a lesson, and we got one trade that's in profit right now. That's a beautiful thing for you guys to see because we win a lot. You need to see us get a lesson. We don't say loss, but you need to see how to maneuver after getting the lesson mentally and as well as what to do on the charts. And this is going to help you save yourself from yourself. Oh, hold on a second. So for all of the people that want to start with us, you don't know where to begin, head to our website, profitakerseu.com. Hold on a second, Z. We'll help you guys start up with the Trading Essential Bundle. It's absolutely free, okay? It's packed with gems, so if you want a tip, there's an option to do that as well. Along with that Trading Essential Bundle, you get the free trial to our Mindset Series, Structure Breaking. This is what the other gentleman just spoke about. We want to make you aware of your true power, and that's the power of your thoughts, beliefs, and actions. They'll help or hinder you in this trading process if you do not have control. We also have the 6-week journal to the 6-week journal to help you guys be more intentional with your words. The things that you say to yourself after your trade setups will affect you, either in a good way or negatively. So you have to be aware. And as far as our upgrades, we have that beginner bundle. You'll get access to that mindset series and our trading, our 6-week course. As far as the tier 2 and the elite, you get access to all of our products. And you get more trading sessions with me live. Next, we have our books available on Amazon. 6 Steps to Trading with Consistent Results covers the concepts that I show you guys in our charting sessions and in our live sessions. So you'll be able to get this and watch me apply them live to see how you can use them better. We also have our trading log books to help you log your trade setup, saying your emotional state in the process. We also have merch so you guys support the vision, support the dream, and remember you're only one trade away from living. YouTube. Wi-Fi just stay the same.